Today is Sunday. Pangalawang hakot kami ngayon sa gamit na una namin kinuwanan noon na hindi natapos kasi isang hakot lang yun. Kaya ngayon namin gagawin yung pangalawang hakot. Pero wala pa sila kasi binababa nila yung gamit. Galing sa second floor. Waiting lang tayo dito kasi ako yung maglalagay dito, magsasalansan. Sasalansan ko dyan. Pero ngayon, ang init talaga eh, nakakainis eh. Kasi tingnan mo naman yung panahon, no? Oh, ito na pala. Tanatag. Ha? Busy ako! Ako nagbablog ako dito. Mag-aakot lang ako. Wait. Yung oven huli na lang dito. Paano mo muli na first stop. Mabigat ba yan? Mabigat. What the? Binagsak. Wait lang. Paano ko uusap mo? Aray! Sakit ah. Ito pa lang, nagpapawisan na ako. Yan pala yung kinukuha ko, nagpapawisan na ako. Guys, faster.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Akte, ang init. Hindi ko nabuksan yung mga bintana. Sarado siya. Eto na siya. Nung nabuksan yung mga bintana, ang init. Ngayon ko lang naisip. Pawis na ako, guys. Ba yan? Pahinga lang, ang sakit sa balakang. Kahit anong gawin ko talaga masakit siya. Di ba sabi ko na nakaraan kailangan magdala ng towel. So yun, nakalimutan ko. Kakamadali kanina. Yung init, nasakay ko na lahat. Ayan siya. Kitang-kita naman. Gusto mo natin bintana. Ang init, grabe. Ngayon papunta na tayo ng Punturin. Na-drop na natin to. Tara.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
A few minutes later.
Nandito na kami sa aming drop-off sa may Punturin. Ako na. Magagasgas nga eh. Kulit eh, no? Napapakas naman pala. Ano mo na. Itaas mo. Tapos ang init. Boy, baka may kape sila dyan. Kape lang. Hindi, yung ano lang. Okay, tapos na mag-unload. Nakakapagod talaga. Yung pawis. Ha? Bakit? Di ba nakakapagod? Nakakapagod naman talaga eh. Ang tanga to si Gabi, no? Alam mo yung pinagpawisan ka, ayan o. Tindi ng pawis. Kasi nga sobrang mainit. Ayan na ang kanilang bahay. Uy, may piano. Ito walang kwarto, no?
Wala po.
Ah, okay.
Taas, ganyan din. Mas malaki naman.
Kuha muna ako ng pambiling kape. Bibili daw ng kape to eh. Pawis, no? Pawis.
1 hour later.